There's a big difference between a projector that's made for dark theater rooms and one that's actually built for your everyday living space. The BenQ GP520 falls into that second category. It's designed to sit in your living room, replace a traditional TV, and still deliver a cinematic experience without demanding total darkness. The first thing that stands out is brightness. With 2,600 lumens powered by an LED light source, this projector has enough output to handle ambient light far better than typical compact 4K models. Daytime viewing becomes realistic. You can watch sports, stream shows, or play games without constantly adjusting blinds and curtains. Resolution is native 4K, and that sharpness is noticeable immediately. Fine textures, detailed landscapes, and crisp subtitles all benefit from the added pixel density. HDR10+ support enhances contrast dynamically, adjusting scene by scene to improve highlights and shadow detail. Instead of flat-looking images, you get depth and balance. Colors are tuned to Rec. .709 standards, delivering accurate tones that look natural rather than exaggerated. Another strong feature is Auto Cinema Mode. Lighting conditions in living rooms change throughout the day, and manually tweaking projector settings can be frustrating. This system automatically adapts brightness and color balance to your environment. It makes the projector feel smarter and more convenient for daily use. Motion performance also gets attention here. MEMC technology smooths fast-moving content, which is especially useful for sports broadcasts and action films. Fast camera pans feel cleaner, and motion blur is reduced. For those who prefer a more traditional cinematic feel, motion settings can be adjusted. Design plays an important role too. The unit is compact, modern, and clean-looking. It doesn't demand ceiling installation or complicated mounting systems to work effectively. Automatic keystone correction and screen alignment tools simplify setup. You place it on a surface, power it on, and it quickly optimizes the image shape and positioning. Smart functionality is built directly into the system with Google TV integration. Streaming apps are accessible without extra devices. Navigation feels smooth and intuitive. With built-in voice control support, searching for movies and shows becomes faster and easier. Everything feels centralized rather than dependent on additional hardware. Connectivity is future-ready. HDMI 2.1 allows support for modern gaming consoles and high-bandwidth video signals. USB-A and USB-C ports expand media compatibility and accessory options. Wi-Fi 6 ensures stable streaming performance, while Bluetooth 5.2 enables reliable wireless audio connections. eARC support means you can connect to advanced audio systems without sacrificing sound quality. Audio performance from the internal speakers is decent for casual viewing, but the real upgrade happens when paired with an external sound system. With Dolby audio compatibility and support for 7.1 channel output, it integrates seamlessly into a dedicated home theater setup. That combination of large visuals and immersive sound transforms the experience completely. Another advantage is the LED light engine. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, LED systems offer longer lifespan and more consistent brightness over time. That reduces maintenance concerns and adds long-term reliability for everyday use. Gaming on a large projected screen changes immersion dramatically. With responsive input performance and HDMI 2.1 capability, console gaming feels fluid and engaging. Expansive open-world games and competitive titles benefit from the large format display. Overall, this projector isn't positioned as a niche theater device. It's a practical, high-performance home entertainment centerpiece. Big screen scale, intelligent image adjustments, accurate color, strong brightness, smooth motion handling, and modern connectivity all come together in one unit. If you're considering upgrading your living room setup to something larger and more cinematic without installing a massive TV panel, this projector presents a compelling option. For purchase details, check the link provided in the description below.